Hey, welcome back, friends. My name is Sela, and this is What's Next. In this feature, we look at pictures that tell a story. Let's look at the first two pictures and then guess what will happen next. Our first picture has two people cooking in the kitchen. They have special hats and clothes, so let's call them cooks. What are they cooking? Whatever it is, it must be in the pots. Maybe it's soup. Both cooks look happy as they work together. That's nice. Okay, now the cook is tasting the soup from the other cook. She is holding a large spoon. The other cook is a little distracted. He does not see what is happening in his pot. The one pot is starting to bubble over. Maybe it is cooking too fast. I think the cook should pay attention. What will happen next? Boom! The soup exploded. Oh wow! What happened? The cook was distracted. He did not see the problem until it was too late. Now the soup is in the air. The other cook saw the problem too late and did not warn him. I guess cooking is like driving. You have to always pay attention. It makes sense. You always have to pay attention when cooking something in the kitchen. If you get distracted, you might have a big mess. That cook might have to clean everything up and start over. Thanks for joining me today on What's Next.